channel. Today I have brought some new worksheets for you. Okay, today we're going to learn new sound and that sound is k. K. Okay, which picture is this? K carrot. K carrot. And what is this? K. K. Now we are going to start write k. Start with the big dot and make a curvy k. We are going to write again one more time. Start with the big dot. Make a curvy k. K carrot. K carrot. Carrot is rich of vitamins. Now you are going to color carrot. Carrot is red in color, okay? Rabbit likes to eat carrot. Now, next worksheet. Trace and color. Which picture is this? Cat. Cat. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to start writing k on a small dots. What we are going to do? We are going to join all the dots and make a k. Make a curvy k. Again. Make a curvy k. K cat. K cat. I have a pet cat. Do you have a pet cat? Now we are going to color cat. We are going to color in a cat. Alright. Now after this, move towards our next worksheet. Now color the pictures that begins with k. K. Which picture is this? Cake. K cake. K cake. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do color in it. K cake. Slowly, slowly and very nicely we are going to color cake. Okay, we are going to make a blueberry cake. Do you like blueberry cake? It's very yummy. Now, after completing this whole cake, we go to the next picture. What is it? Candle. What is the beginning sound of candle? K candle. K candle. So we are going to color candle. Slowly, slowly and very nicely. K candle. K candle. Now, which picture is this? Cat. K cat. What is the beginning sound of cat? K. Alright. So now we are going to color cat. K cat. Cat likes to eat fish. After completing the color, we are moved towards the next vocabulary. Alright. Which picture is this? Car. What is the beginning sound of car? K, car. Alright. So car begins with K. So I'm gonna color in it. K, car. Children like to play with the toy car. Okay. Now move towards the next picture. Mango. Which picture is this? Mango. Is mango begins with K? No. So what we are going to do? We are not going to color in mango. Okay. Now move towards the next worksheet. Match the sounds with the picture. Which sound is this? K. Which sound is this? K. Now we are going to write K. Make a curvy K. Now what we are going to do? We are going to match the sound with the pictures. Now which picture is this? Duck. Which picture is this? Duck. Is duck begins with K? No. So we are not going to match duck with K. Next, which picture is this? Carrot. Carrot. What is the beginning sound of carrot? K. K. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to match K with carrot. Now, which picture is this? Can. Can. What is the beginning sound of can? K. K. Can. Very good. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to match K with this can. Which picture is this? Axe. Axe. Is axe begins with A? No. So what we are going to do? We are not going to match axe with K. Which picture is this? Clock. Clock. What is the beginning sound of clock? K. Alright. So we are going to match K with clock. Alright. Which picture is this? Cone. K. Cone. Cone begins with K. So we are going to match K. Cone. Okay. After completing this activity, we are going to color all the pictures. Alright. Now, move towards the next worksheet. Circle the correct sounds and color. Now, in this worksheet, what we are going to do is we are going to circle the correct sounds and color the pictures, as well as we are recalling our previous learning sounds, which is A, B and K. Now, let's start. Which vocabulary is this? Apple. Apple. What is the beginning sound of apple? A. Yes. Now, identify the sound. Is this A? Yes. Now, we are going to circle A. A. Apple. A. Apple. Now, which picture is this? Candle. Which picture is this? Candle. What is the beginning sound of candle? K. K. Alright. Is this K? No. Is this K? Yes. So we are going to circle K. Now, which picture is this? Axe. Axe. What is the beginning sound of axe? A. Yes. Is this A? No. Is this A? Yes. So we are going to circle a sound. Alright. Which picture is this? Balloon. Which picture is this? Balloon. What is the beginning sound of balloon? B. B. Is this B? No. Is this B? Yes. So we are going to make circle around B. Now, read along with me. A. Apple. K. Candle. A. Axe. B. Balloon. Hope you like my video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, so firstly, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We will meet you soon. Till that, goodbye.